Okay. Where am I? Where's the camera? Hey, there's the camera. I think it's running. Can you pick up audio? Anybody? All right. Well, here's what I'm going to build today. Is workbench. I'm going to have a lot of extra cartridges. How would we go? Change this a little bit. What do you think? More up here? Maybe? So we need to get a better camera thing. Maybe? Oh wait, how about this? If you're wondering, hey everybody, I am streaming from Raspberry Pi5 in a little case and using an old Logitech webcam. So I'm just trying to find a good spot for it here in the coffee room, at least for now. How about that? Kind of wish I had one with a wide angle lens. How about that? Well, you can kind of see me. Is anybody even here? We got 2 people watching. Say hi in the chat, because I can't actually see who's here other than the chat box. Tell me how my audio is going this time, because well, the last computer was having some issues. Yes? No? Really? Oh, how about I change it to all chat so I can see this whole top chat thing. I have a huge mess. Yeah? Anybody? Can everybody hear me? Do I need to set up a different microphone? A little microphone meter is showing that it's picking up some sort of audio. Says I got 2 people watching. Who are you? Well, one of them's Jillian, and the other's a mystery. So I got this workbench. No, not sponsored, of course. Because I want to set it basically right here behind me. It's got the 2 drawers, height adjustable, wood top. Since I realized my workbenches that I had built out of the nice stone slabs for the hobby room filled up rather quickly when I brought everything in here from the other rooms. Of course, I've been eyeballing this for a while. And if you're wondering, it's going to be this little guy here when it's all done. So hopefully it'll work out well. I like to be able to organize tools and such in the, oh hey, there we go, you're in the chat. Yeah, I don't think you can chat from the phone, at least I've never figured out how. What do I need? Does it come with tools? I will need a 10mm wrench and a 13mm wrench. And a screwdriver. Okay. Front and back edge. Looks like we built this thing upside down. There's the Husky logo. That's the front, apparently. So, like that. We got only one person. Yeah. So we're going to unpack all the things. Did it work on the phone? Yeah. I'm not going to put the casters on. I think that's what those are. Because I'm just going to have it sitting here. This flooring here it's concrete below, but then I put foam gym mats. And I'd actually rather use the just the little flat feet that this comes with. I'm not going to be using it in a garage. At least not anytime soon. There's a left and a right for these. Oops. Oh, hey Scott. Workbench. What fun tools? A lot of like my little RC car and 3D printing assembly stuff, so a ton of Allen wrenches probably. But because all my full-size vehicle tools and greasy things are in the other garage, this one's going to remain a clean workbench tool bin. Actually, I was going to probably use the 2 drawers that come in this. I'm going to probably do probably a Gridfinity because, oh, where'd I go? Where's the camera? Check this out. So over here we got, well, old drawers that haven't been sorted yet, but I have a multitude of, M3, M2, M2.5, heat inserts, all kinds of tons of little screws. But going through each one of these little bins, I mean, they're nice because they're at least pre-sorted when you buy them. But it'd be nice to not have to go through a stack of bins just to get the few things I need. So my plan is to do the, Gridfinity, which, if you're unfamiliar, here's a Gridfinity carousel. It's the little printable organizer bins that are a designated size. So that's probably what I'm going to end up putting in there. Oh, sorry. I'd like to get a wide-angle camera of some sort. My 6D I had planned on using for this, but apparently it's an older model and you can't really live stream at full quality without, of course, paying Canon for their subscription-based software utility. So much for that. I think this is all just cardboard now. Maybe I will get rid of this box. I heard a buzz. Oh, my printer's done. Okay. I got the same issues. Oh, yeah. Hard to sort things. I know. It's a little, what are they, fishing tackle boxes usually? Or that's what they're sold as. I have tons of them, but it's just annoying to throw them. Of course, I've been going to the Sterilite brand, Rubbermaid brand, whatever they're called. I don't know if you can see over there, my shelf helps organize a little bit more, so at least you can see into them. I sort my Lego pieces in those too in a different room upstairs, because at least you can, see inside. But then you're also digging through those bins a lot. How do they do that? They must have cameras. Other streamers must have cameras that have pan tilt zoom built in all the way around. Made it. Get all the packaging out of the way, and then we can finally build the thing. The drawer slides. And more cardboard. I think this one seems to be well packaged. Not any, hardly any styrofoam, which know it's a good packing material, but it's terrible because it shreds and gets fluffy, statically charged fluffies all over your house. So I like the recyclable cardboard. Not really a fan of plastic bags. So, what does the instructions say to do first? So like attach one leg yet. One leg first. The rotating rod. Oh, so that's there is a left and a right. So this has the hand crank for the height adjust. So that's got to be. I think everyone's got those Sterilite bins. It is nice; they're quite stackable. Although in the Lego room, some of the bins on the bottom have been they're getting a little squished from the weight because I think they're not really rated for, well, you know, stacks that are like 12 bins high, especially when they're completely filled with, well, anything heavy. I have a couple of them in the front garage holding some stainless hardware. Only 3 bins high, and the bottom one completely flattened out. It's like broken. So I kind of want to build one of those racks that have the kind of like drawer slides. It's like little ribs that the lip of the bin sits into. That'd be nice. Then I could have one bin at a time rather than stacking them one on top of another. So which one is this? The Phillips head screws. Oh, it's a track. I want to see how that works. Well, that's nice. Need a Phillips head screwdriver. A multi-tool. So my first live stream, I was using the other PC that you can kind of see it, maybe, a jumble of wires over there. But that one's like 13 years old, and there's something wrong with it where even if it just sits idle, it'll just screen will go dark, no error messages or anything. We're thinking it might be the CPU overheating on the GPU, on the graphics card, or the GPU rather. Or it could be the main CPU, something. I've never taken it apart and cleaned it. So, that's why I'm not streaming with that one yet. It's not reliable. So that's got an axle to interconnect the 2 sides. Nice. So I have some music kind of playing in the background. It's supposed to be the YouTube royalty-free background music. Is it even? Can you even hear it going? Anybody? Or is it turned down too low? Okay. You don't hear it? It's just a very it's a very little bit of unts. Some, what do they call it? Epic EDM deep house. No lyrics, so it's not distracting. Phew. Yep. What? Oh no. Only one side's going? What's going on here? Oh jeez. Well, that's no good. Like a locking tab or something? Okay, that's it. Faster. I heard a clunk. Gas might have fallen off. Seems a little strange. So that's turning. Why is this one stuck? I don't know. It seems like the There we go. Maybe it was cranked down too much in shipping. They're the same approximate height. Yeah. So there, pop it out. Go. Oh, come on. You just put those together, and then not let the axle. Who's pushing the heart button? Must be Julian. Does it sound okay? How's the audio from this distance? Because I mean, I'm using the webcam's built-in microphone. Yeah, me. I'm assuming it's tinny, like a tin can. Well, it's not crackly like the last attempt. I think that was the slight better part. But the Raspberry Pi, of course, being the one that's broadcasting the stream, is it's not known for. Hang on. Kind of weird to have the techno music. All right, how about I just turn off the music for now? There. Maybe that'll be better for audio. It's too bad instead of like the little heart and reaction buttons, there should be like people in chat should be able to play a ding or a noise. Okay. Well, that's now it should. Hooray! Both of them are working. That's good. Using the crank blade, raise the legs 4 inches to avoid the top rail, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Oh, jeez. Well. I'm going to want this at maximum height anyways. Pretty much all the time. Because I am not short at all. So let's just crank her up. That's good enough. Okay. Tell us what you're doing. I'm building a workbench. That will sit, well, not upside down, but it'll be right here for building 3D printed RC cars or printers or whatever electronics projects. I'm hoping I can actually get the other computer working better and reliably for streaming so that it doesn't crash and doesn't sound like garbage when it's, the audio. Because it's sitting right next to this workbench. And the Pi5 seems to be doing okay. It has limited inputs. I do not have any audio in or out jacks. I think it can only do one camera at a time because it does not support OpenGL or is it OpenGL? One of the hardware compressors for video encoding is not supported, which OBS requires to even open. But anyways. Attach the support rail to the bottom leg. Oh. Okay. Let's see. It's these ones. It's like a footrest. Sort of. Holes do not seem to be threaded very well. And the phone just dinged. Oh my gosh. Let's just snug those down a little bit. The other two in. Okay. Yeah, it's nice. These, I mean, even though they're, I mean, it looks like the 13mm screws, they still have a Phillips bit on the top. So that's handy. Yeah, but also they have a included wrench. Not going anywhere. Okay. What do we got going? Some coffee. Who's on here? Oh, muted the video. Okay. Okay. Here we go. I think we'll be attaching the drawers now. I think we're taking on. Squaring it up. Come on. Who's there? Nobody's there. Oh, jeez. I do not want to do the casters, so these are fine. All right. Drawers facing forward. Right. Oh, this way. So that's so. That could have been my finger. I'm not going to tighten it. Just quickly screw it in there. Hold it. Drawer time. Whoops. Cardboard's not very strong. And in case anybody's wondering, this is the narrowest, the 46-inch workbench from Home Depot. This room's not that big, so I didn't want to go overkill. I think it'd be perfectly fine for anything I'm going to build in here. These are kind of cool. Cool. Got a mess going over there now. Which part first? Let's do the back panel. So far, the kit seems pretty easy to follow. The nice part is they basically use two different sizes of screws, except the only other, this one bar uses the four that aren't the same as everything else. So that's probably a little easier than an IKEA set, because you only got basically Phillips head screws for just about everything. Keep things loose. Okay, what does it say next? Front panel. Oh, there. So I put blank. That's a big mark. Okie dokie. Using 2 or more people, stand the workbench up. Ah. Oh, I forgot some screws. A bunch, looks like. Anybody there? Oh, somebody's there. Wish there was a way to see who's watching the stream other than people that say hello. Is there? Hello. See that now. Supposed to put the drawers in after it's upright. All I need to do is need to stop holding. Ouch. Oh, come on. Alrighty then. That's a workbench. Now I just need to flip it up and over. How about let me go a little bit higher up here. Look at my freaking top of my head. Using like one of those clip thingies. Maybe if it'll stay. I hope so. So I should just slide in. Just get behind it. Get past the first. Nice. Maybe it'll be easier if I start another out here. There you go. Pour me. Click. Nope. Oh, it came off the track. There we go. Nice. Okay. Oh. So that maximum height, what is that? Yeah, about 38 inches, or for those of you that are metric, 970 millimeters ish. And that's with a squish of the carpet, of course. Well, so now, put it right here. Still leaves plenty of room. Or should I have it the other way? I don't know. I'm gonna have some vertical clearance issues right here, especially if I'm going to be building some printers that are rather large. I'll have to rotate the table, but I guess I can do that per stream. What's some of the things I wanted to get done soon was finish building, or at least starting on the LEDs and whatnot, because that's just been on the back burner for a while. Yeah. Well, all right, how about this? Since I'm done building the workbench, I don't necessarily have to keep streaming. Let's do another short tour of the area. We got all the projects up here on the shelving. Notice all the 3D printed shelf brackets. It's kind of the fun thing to do. These are all the 3D sets, 3D printable RCs. That's the two vans, the 2-wheel drive and a 4-wheel drive version. We got, still want to redo. I want to make something to hide the electronics in this one. It's got the, even got a little FPV cam up in there, but it gets rather hot because it's really meant for a drone or a plane. Probably need to put like a cooling fan in. Put the other ones up there. And that's my older non-printed RCs. Tamiya, Traxxas, Associated, RC 4-wheel drive. The, what do you call it, the Reptile. Little D12. Seems to be everyone's favorite on the videos. Maybe we'll take that out in the backyard some more. We'll print a freebie trailer from Thingiverse. Tamiya TT01. 1/16 scale 6-wheel drive. That one's pretty cool. Power supply. Going to do the lab power supply using an ATX power supply. Still working on printing the parts for that. Sorting all my electronics junk, parts and pieces, some things to repair. Here's the workbench. The old power supplies, like really old. I built that one, the black one, in the late 90s when Radio Shack was still open. And that was a donation from a friend of a friend, or a parent of a friend, rather. It's cool, vintage. It just doesn't output very much. We got the Pi5. That's what we've been streaming on this whole time. It's got the NVMe SSD as its hard drive. I can't remember the brand of card that I got for it, but runs great so far. Old tablet for streaming some YouTube music. All kinds of junk needs to be sorted. More 3D sets cars. Another in process. We're going to do the LEDs on this one. That's the buggy in Baja mode. The Gridfinity carousel. We got the printers. Oh, sorry about the shakes. I'm doing this with a tiny webcam, and it does not have any stabilization. So there's my original Prusa Mark III S Plus with the cheap tent enclosure, which actually works quite well for printing ABS, ASA, and whatnot. It gets to about 40 C in the chamber. I got my little cheap thermometer, hygrometer in there. We're currently at 20 C, 41% humidity. The Chiron, or the Chiron wire, because it's a Voron switch wire conversion. I'll be tearing that down point again, because I'm going to do a Core XY conversion on it. You can see down on the floor I got the linear, or not the linear rails, the where are the extrusions. Lots of extrusions. Prusa Bear, which was the marketplace find. Oh, print's done. And then the Ender 5 Plus that will become the Mercury 0G build. I'll do a live stream on that one too. Soon. Very soon. In fact, that might be the next thing I work on the new bench. And of course, that is also waiting for completion with the LEDs and, well, just finish assembly. That one's from, what is the website? an3d.net, I think. I'll have to look it up. Maybe I'll post it in the comments when I stream that one. So, that's the stream for today. I'm going to go play with the dog and take out all that All that cardboard recycling. There you go. There's a whole workbench box. Oh, is the camera and audio all in one device? Yes. If I had a... Wait, I do have a mirror. Let me show you. My chin. Whoa, it's like cameraception. Woo. Okay, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it was a $4 camera that I got at Goodwill. So it works pretty good. I don't know, I think they're only like $30 brand new, but I like it when I can get it cheaper. So tiny. Yeah, it's not bad. It's, at least it's a good brand, Logitech. So that's probably why it actually works. I got that other weird off-brand one over on the other computer, but it's glitchy. It doesn't have any audio, even though the computer tries to default to it all the time. All right, well, wow, our stream, Raspberry Pi, has been running great. I don't know if I have a temperature monitor on here yet. Maybe we'll figure out some stats next time. How do I end the chat? I'm still learning how to do it. There we go. Okay, bye. Oh, your stream will stop immediately. It will no longer be live. Yes, okay, bye.